I made this. Oh God, I almost fell over.
Don't walk into the snowbank again.
Because it seemed right. Seemed like a reasonable thing to do. Enjoy. Not back yet. Almost am. I can see it. It's up there. Ah! It's a little snowy.
Where's Wendell?
I'm 6'4". It's up to my waist. Good times. Oh God, it's a little bit snowy here in Maine. What?
There's also what I'm doing.
No, we're going this way. Perfect.
Oh, I hear Wendell.
Oh shit! What am I standing on? There's snow in my everywhere.
I don't have snow in anything.
It's snowy. Where's Wendell? Where are you,
Oh,
man?
he's right there.
We gotta eat him for food.
Right over there. He's, guys.
Oh, there he is.
The majestic adventurers, I guess.
Team 6.
Majestic!
That was beautiful. Beautiful. Taking a rest. Hard at work. Not sure if I'll survive this trip. If my mom's watching this, there's no point to. Oh, no! Oh, God!
I got your snow.
I don't want it. Here we have the majestic snow bowl. I'm only
My gloves are just more snow.
slightly snowy. I don't think I can make it through that. But we'll see.
All right. We found a nice. Oh shit!
That lady got it. And we're gonna make it further.
We've made it all the way from that building. Nice Baymax hat. Good luck. You ready, Elizabeth?
I'm gonna die today.
Here's a waist high snowbank. Hello, small people. Hi, Thomas.
Come on, Wendell.
You gonna make it to your home, the business school?
It's also my home, but
Mine too.
yeah, I could visit the library as an ambassador snowstorm expert.
Ambassador snowstorm expert. Thomas, you're alive?
Guys,
He made it. Wait, is it actually open?
they went in.
Want to go stand inside for a little bit? Sounds
But I'll melt and then I'll be cold.
sounds way better than this.
1, 2, 3, 4 people snapping.
I'm gonna go and stand this.
Oh, the cold mess.
My hair is frozen in the bangs, I think.
Great high five.
Oh.
All right, we're going out for round 2 because we still have to make it home. We're making it. We're actually, this whole trek started because we wanted to go to the mall, and well, not that. Oh, let's take a detour and go see the empty lecture hall. Oh, it's spooky. I can't actually see. Oh, this is really weird. This is really cool. Oh, I found a desk. To the Cool Crew world once again. There they are. There's other crazies in their natural habitat. Going to go get food.
We don't even have that excuse.
They're way more prepared than us. It looks like there's like static, but it's just the snow.
Yeah.
Good luck, fellows. Some useful journalism here on the Maine campus.
Yeah,
And education and adulting.
we all need
The adulting school offers some life skills assistance. Nothing important about this, I just thought it was pretty. Good, alright. Guys, good. Good job, doors. Perfect. Great. Good. This isn't so bad. It's actually easier than it was earlier. Just means we're getting used to this shit. There's this dude, can't find him, doing snowmobile things on the Maine Mall. Oh god, there's snow in my face! We could try to make it to that bench. Yeah. Why does he have a snowmobile on campus? Should he just casually keep it in his dorm room? Lofted bed, snowmobile underneath. Really? Oh! I almost ate shit already. Really dumb. We're on a picnic table. Mostly. I don't know.
Weird perspectives.
Weird perspectives. The picnic table's as tall as the snow. Hey guys. Alright. Here's the post-snowing camera.
What? Let's see if you jump the farthest.
Amazing.
These are black pants.
Some nice Alright, Jeff's gonna do a flip or some shit. Jeff, only your head's left.
8 out of 10.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Now he's a penguin. There's only one way to the library, and that's
I thought you wanted me to flip like I got.
off this pic, which is right there, by the way. That's the library. We're going there. It's apparently is mandatory. That was lame. Lame. All right, Thomas, do something cool. Do something fruity.
I'm just gonna beat one of those jump, dude.
I don't think you're gonna eat shit.
No way! No way!
Nah, I've got it on camera, mate. Wendell wins. They were both exceedingly lame, though. All right, Jeff, show.
Now what do I do?
Fly. Just never land. Just go up there and just. Ah! And Elizabeth, you've got your pump, so don't do anything too fruity.
I tucked it between layers right here.
Oh, good. There they go. They're off.
I fully expect to eat it. I'm the least athletic here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
Ready?
Are we?
I am. Here we have the snow pumpkin, ripe for picking.
The snow pumpkin.
Shut up. He has become Baymax. They're already up there.
Well, this is quite cold, so I'm gonna get up.
Please do.
You can,
Do you need help?
All right, it's day 3 in the wilderness.
Two of our members are dead.
Oh God! No, I'm dead. Go on without me.
Just walk into a bed.
Wait, now come back. Day 3 in the wilderness, and we're down 2 people. We've got
We're gonna make a change.
one
We ate
and
them.
a half, 2 left. They're gone. They're out there
Somewhere.
Jumped off the picnic table. We never saw them again. That's what oh God! That's what it takes. Elizabeth, don't be a bit. Oh no!
What?
It was just oh. I was like, anyway, don't jump in snow pumpkin patches
Snow pumpkin.
without knowing if it's safe or not.
Let's climb that mountain. Yeah. Right in front of us.
It's a snow. Okay, sure. We'll be back. The snow pumpkin patch. Hello. How's it going?
You're actually prepared.
Oh yeah.
Wait, you just keep those in your dorm room?
I keep them in my car.
Okay, that makes more sense. Have fun. Here we see Elizabeth climbing the fucking mountain. It's easily 4 or 5 times her size, but There she goes. She's made it to the top. She's summited. Like, oh, Jeff has taken a terrible spill. He's down for the count. He's stuck, apparently. Oh, there's the fool. There's the top of Jeff's head. Barely sticking up over the snow. Oi, Jeff. How's it going, mate? Yeah, you fucking climbed it.
Your bottom half is completely washed.
Snow. Oh, oh, there we go. Jeff.
Did you have your glasses?
Jeff, you're making a snow tornado. No, oh, Elizabeth's down for the count. Elizabeth, just roll down the hill. I'm kidding, don't do that. Oh, she made it.
I did, and I didn't fall over at all.
Good.
That is up to my crotch.
Good, good.
Okay.
We'll keep going. Got a song for you.
Okay.
The snow goes white on the mountains at night.
Sorry.
Not a footprint to be seen. Except all those kingdom of isolation.
Oh my god.
It looks like
You need to stop.
I'm the queen. Fine. We're all fine.
Looks like we're
It's just, whoa, there's people climbing that.
That's about the same height as the one we climbed.
Yep. We're gonna die. It's just us now. Me and the girl. Little lady, let's do this. I can't actually see anything. Here's the path we're following. Yep, it's just white. Oh, damn. You know, I think it's time to go back. Scanner to get into the building. It's a bit snowy. This is the door. Yep. Works great. My pants are
I told you
frozen.
a small one though. Alright.
All right, Thomas. Don't worry. It's the look. The post-snow look. Hey, Jeff. What's up? Yeah, we're still walking, but like I said, if you can hear me over this, I don't normally make this type of video, but it seemed, excuse me, hello, we're gonna get cozy. Oh God, it seemed good to do. I normally make game commentaries, but I leave my apartment about once a month, and you were lucky that I filmed it this time. So it was exciting. You okay?
It was a bad time to leave.
It was a perfect time to leave. If every time you leave it's boring, you're not doing it right. I'm kidding.
This is a blizzard.
This is a blizzard. So I hope you enjoyed this not gaming commentary video. And if you're interested in me being dumb more often and regularly, with like not freezing my butt off, metaphorically and literally, then if you want to check out the rest of my channel, that'd be great. Really great. Assuming I make it fucking back. I'm good. We're good. Fuck her. We're good. We're going back. Assuming I make it back. And I live to upload more. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. And everyone else that does check out others, really appreciate it. Feels good. Isn't that right, Elizabeth?
I'm dying.
She's dying. Take the word of a dying woman. It's good. Makes me feel good. Goodbye.